Hi, my name is Sarasaj Maitra. I am a PhD student at University of Virginia. My thesis advisor is Professor Craig Hinneke. I would like to thank the organizers of CHAMP for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present my research interest to the mathematical community, specifically in these weird times, using the technology that is available to us. Thank you so much for doing this. My research interests lie mainly in commutative algebra. I'm interested in the study of Noetherian rings. These are named after Professor Emmy Noether. I think Britannica describes her as the most creative algebraist of modern era. She made immense contributions in the fields of mathematics and physics. All the rings I study are Noetherian. So let me talk in brief about some of the research problems that I have been thinking about. There's a conjecture due to R.W. Berger, which has been open since 1963, concerning the study of the torsion submodule of Kähler differentials, denoted omega r over k, of a one-dimensional reduced analytic K algebra. I should mention here that the Kähler differentials is an object of interest for many, many questions in both algebra as well as geometry. And Berger's conjecture is one such long-standing conjecture. Uh, I established some partial results recently by studying colons of ideals. The paper is available on arXiv. I should also mention that the study of these colons of ideals is independent area of interest by itself. And there are some results which are very independent of the conjecture, which have been stated in the paper. Together with Professor Craig Hinneke and Professor Vivek Mukundan. Vivek Mukundan is in Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi now. We established some further results on Berger's conjecture by looking at the ring from a different perspective. This is still ongoing work. Together with Professor Hai Long Dao and Prashant Sridhar, both of them are at University of Kansas, we studied finite type questions for the category of reflexive modules over a local one-dimensional analytically unramified Cohen-Macaulay ring. So the study was initially motivated by the study of colons of ideals as we saw in the previous slide. Then we found patterns and generalized it. And this paper should be available on arXiv really soon. Recently with Professor Craig Hinneke and Dr. Thomas Polstra, both at University of Virginia, we started looking at weak implies strong type results for rings of characteristic P. Let me list out in brief some of the further research topics that I have looked at. To quite an extent, I studied Hilbert Samuel and Hilbert Kunz multiplicities in connection with a conjecture by Crystal Leck. A major breakthrough happened in 2020, but due to Professor Lin Chun Ma, a big part of the conjecture is still open. I'm also interested in the support of local cohomology modules. This is a very famous and old problem which concerns the closeness of support of such modules. I'm looking into study of maximal Cohen-Macaulay modules over strongly F-regular rings, and also the study of Riesz valuations and local quadratic transformations. So local quadratic transformations are very special cases of blowing up of varieties, and that is a very interesting topic in algebraic geometry. So in a way, this last topic has been a very intriguing introduction for me in the field of algebraic geometry as well. Finally, I've also been uh, part of a wonderful team, including Sankanil, Zan, Tai, and Carl, in the development of a package on Macaulay 2, which is a software which is used by algebraists and geometers. The package's name is Random Rational Points. It should be also available really soon on the Macaulay 2 documentation page. That's it about me. Please feel free to get in touch. Here's my email. My webpage will have more detailed information about my research interests as well as my teaching. I still have a lot left to learn and I look forward to many, many collaborations in the future. Thank you so much. Please stay safe.